Okay, Nathan. So this is me and my Nathan. Okay.
What's your last name?
Huh? You have it the wrong way. Now what?
Huh?
What's my last name?
Yeah.
It's Gonzalez.
I see you.
See me?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see you. Okay, I see you now. What's your name?
Sing, Mima.
Huh?
Sing your songs. Sing your songs from school.
Remember 5 little monkeys swinging from a tree?
A bed.
Oh, a bed, huh? Jumping on the bed.
One fell down and broke his head. So Mama called the doctor and the
I know the other one.
Who you love?
Dave.
Huh?
Dave.
You love daddy?
Yeah.
Who's the best daddy?
Yeah.
You love me?
Yeah.
Give me a hug. 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 Give me daddy a hug. Okay, come take a picture with me.